Hello everyone, it's Miss Martika here at the Fairfield Public Library. Today in our Take and Make kit, we are making a puppet fox. Continue to watch this video so we can do this cool craft together. So in your Take and Make kit, you should have the following items: 3 buttons, a piece of twine, popsicle stick, box cutout, and orange construction paper. What you're gonna need from home is scissors, pencil, glue, and a black marker or crayon. The first step is we're gonna cut out our fox. And we are going to turn it upside down to trace around it. My fox moved just a bit. I'm fixing it. And then you want to cut this out. Perfect. Cut out on the dotted lines here. I'm just gonna cut out here. And then I'm gonna cut the other part out. Great. Now we'll have 2 pieces. These 2 pieces are going to be glued right onto the fox's face. Like that. Ooh, that was a tough cap to take off. So I'll put some glue there. I'm actually going to turn my head around because I see my trace. I don't really want that. I'm going to glue the other one. So the next thing you want to do is take your twine and you want to cut it in half. So I'll make it the 2 pieces end here and then loop. I'm going to cut it here. Perfect. If you want to cut again, you totally can. And then we will cut again as well. So now you end up with 4 pieces. We're gonna put glue here and put on our twine. And then on top, we'll put on our biggest button. Oop, only 3 pieces want to stay, that's totally fine. You want to hold that with some pressure. And then you want to take your 2 size buttons and place it as eyes. Perfect. Your next step is to take your marker or black crayon, and we're going to do a triangle in the fox's ear and another triangle there. We'll take our popsicle stick, add enough glue, and we'll glue it to the back. And there we have it. Hello everyone, it's Miss Martika here at the Fairfield Public Library. Today in our Take and Make kit, we are making a puppet fox. Continue to watch this video so we can do this cool craft together.